about, I'm interested in getting a separation from my wife. Could you possibly set me up an appointment, or maybe a walk-in's fine?
It's not completely policy.
What? Isn't this the legal assistance office?
Might be.
It says legal assistance on the door.
It is.
Oh, yeah. Very good. I'm glad I'm in the right place. Anyway, what do you mean it's not going to be policy to talk about separations?
We, what's the right word? We are representing the wife.
Oh, she beat me here?
Yes.
Oh, Christ. I knew that she beat me here. All right, wait a second. So why can't you see me, though, like a different lawyer? You have more than one lawyer, right?
It's not completely policy.
Is there company policy to have what? More lawyer? I don't understand what you're saying. What's not company policy?
It's not.
I don't understand the company policy. Explain it, please.
That's